doing your books, you're not an entrepreneur. If you're an engineer, if you're a plumber and you're driving the truck, you're not an entrepreneur. You're a plumber.
Tabudelo Shirinda, a tax practitioner and entrepreneur who works closely with businesses navigating VAT. In that experience then, what would you say are the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make when it comes to tax and VAT, given your experience and the fact that you've worked with startup entrepreneurs and people that have millions and millions?
If a company starts making 500,000 a year, then you have to register for VAT. They found out 3 years from now they're making 10 million. They've been making 10 million for the past 2 years. The taxman comes like, oh, you've been making so much money. Why aren't you registered for VAT? Let's go back to find out when.
I think a lot of people don't have the knowledge.
Yeah.
We don't have, when we start a business, we just into that trendy wave, we just join the trendy wave of, okay, yes, I want to start a business, but I don't even know what financials I need to be looking at. I don't know all of those things, so I don't have any financial knowledge, so to speak. Welcome to Growth, Grit and Grace, where knowledge meets purpose and purpose meets action. I'm your host, Mpho Mnyageni, and happy New Year. I wish this year is filled with nothing but alignment and prosperity to all of you. Today, I am joined by a tax practitioner and entrepreneur who works closely with businesses navigating VAT. Tabudelo Shirinda, also known as KC, completed a BCom in accounting after several years in the corporate sector. He established his own accounting firm called KIP. He's someone who understands both numbers and realities of entrepreneurship in South Africa. Please welcome KC. Hi, KC.
Hello. How are you?
How are you?
I am good, thanks.
Are you good?
I'm good, yeah.
Excited to be here.
Nervous. I've never been in front of cameras before.
Don't worry. You'll be fine.
All right.
So at Growth, Grit and Grace, now we believe knowledge should be clear, tested,
okay,
and shared.
All right.
So as an icebreaker, we're going to start every episode with a knowledge round. We call it a knowledge round. So we're going to test your knowledge a bit.
Okay.
Right? This is a set of questions. I'm just going to draw one paper from this jar.
Okay.
A jar of knowledge, and then you're going to answer it. So it's basically true or false answers.
Oh, multiple choice.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I passed those in school, so
should be easy enough.
All
and
right.
Depending on how many answers you get correct, we have consequences. It's good consequences, though. It's something that you can look forward to because we believe in giving back. So you have the opportunity to pass down your knowledge to someone else.
As long as I don't have to dance or...
No. That's not the point.
Okay,
Don't
cool.
worry. Don't worry. So you have
All right.
60 seconds to answer as many questions as possible. And then every correct answer counts.
All right.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, can we start?
Yes, please.
All right. Start. Just shake it up a bit. All right. So the first question. Cash flow and profit are the same thing.
No. False.
Is that false?
Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay. So we say false. Okay. Let's keep this one here. All right. The Bible encourages planning and counting the cost.
Let me say true.
Please be sure.
Yes,
Don't say let me
I
say.
am.
Okay, is it true?
Yeah, true.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, next question.
I was never ready for this.
You're not ready for it. Input VAT can be claimed without a valid tax invoice.
No. False.
Is that false?
Yes.
So input VAT cannot be claimed without a valid invoice. Okay. All right. How many questions have 1, 2, 3? All right.
How much consequence?
VAT registration is compulsory once turnover exceeds 1 million rand.
Compulsory is a must. Yes. True.
So it's true.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Next question. You're on a roll. You are on a roll.
Okay.
Poor record keeping can lead to tax penalties.
Of course. That is very true.
I think I'm making this easy for you. I really
it's in
think
my
I'm
field.
making this easy for you.
If you're talking about engineering stuff,
Next time, I'll get more difficult questions. Okay. The next question. Okay. Proverbs associates wisdom with long-term success.
The Bible Proverbs.
Yes.
Of course, yes.
The book of Proverbs.
Yes, definitely.
So true.
True.
Okay. Huh? Okay, last question.
Okay. Whew.
You got this. You got this. VAT return can be submitted annually.
Annually? No. They cannot be. It's monthly or bi-monthly.
It's monthly or bi-monthly?
VAT returns, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's monthly or bi-monthly. You can never do it annually. What happens if you submit it annually?
Penalties. You have to. It depends what you registered by. If you register for every month,
Yeah.
yes, you have to file every month.
Okay.
By the end of the following month,
Okay.
if you didn't file the previous month,
Okay.
the penalty starts.
Sure.
Yeah.
So it depends. Okay, when you say it depends, what choices do we have?
When you register, you only have every month
Okay.
or every 2 months.
So every 2 months or every month?
There's a choice between the two.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you have to
you
choose.
choose.
There's no annual option.
No, that is income tax.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so good news. You have answered all the questions correctly.
So no consequences.
No consequences
so I'm not
for
dancing.
you. But, or would you like a consequence? I can give you a consequence.
Yeah, sure.
Just as a form of giving back, to our community
All right.
and our Growth, Grit and Grace community. So as a positive consequence, you got the perfect score. Yes.
Okay.
So we then will allocate you someone to mentor.
In the accounting side, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
We'll allocate you someone to mentor. So if you are a person that is hoping to venture into accounting, tax practitioner, profession, whatever accounting related business or whatever that you are doing, please comment down below on this video. First, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment your name, surname, and what you would like guidance with. And then Casey will then be in touch with you. Okay, obviously we will be in touch with you first, and then we'll connect you with Casey, and he can then mentor you in whatever field or whatever ventures that you would like to partake in. But remember, first, like this video, comment down below, share, and please subscribe to the channel, and we will skim through the comments and choose the best candidate. So, Casey,
All right.
that is coming to you. Thank you so much for being a team player in this.
No problem.
Thank you for giving back.
Alrighty.
So, we're gonna get to the crux of things, right?
All right. Okay.
What made you choose accounting as a profession, and what later pushed you in entrepreneurship?
Okay, I can say there are three major events in my life that pushed me to accounting. The first one, there was a guy at home. I remember mid 2000s. He drove a Hummer.
Oh, I remember.
And that time it was,
it was the Porsche of
yes, exactly. So he came home with this thing. I talked to him for, I think, 15 minutes. He says, I'm like, what do you do? He said, he's an accountant. I'm like, that's what I want to do. I want to drive a Hummer.
Okay. So the inspiration was you wanting to drive a Hummer.
It's Hummer H2.
So it's not a thing where you carried it over from high school and you fell in love with numbers and accounting and general leisure.
I used to, truth be told, grade 11, I hated accounting. When I was in grade 11, like I should have went to sciences because this thing, but it was too late then.
Okay.
Because my family, everyone did sciences. Okay. I was the first one to branch out to commercial subjects.
Wow.
So my dad is a science teacher. He was not pleased about that decision. I had to call that guy, the Hummer guy, for him to tell him, look, there is a future in this career. look what I'm driving.
And did the Hammer guy win in convincing?
He came and then, I'm fair to relax. There's a lot of opportunities. Look at me now. I'm driving in one of the best cars in South Africa.
I'm interested to know how that conversation went. Like, how did it start with your dad? Like, Dad, God, I met a guy who drives a Hammer.
My dad was, sorry, but he was pissed.
Okay.
To find out I'm doing commercial subjects.
Sure.
So I had to get people who can motivate my case. So I talked to this guy. He came. I remember he came after a month. Came, talked to my dad, took him in his Hammer. I think my dad was like, this guy is so comfortable. Let me. And then later in life, there was my uncle's friend. Okay. He was a boxer, a well-known boxer around my place. So this guy, he was more of my role model. I wanted to be like him because he used to come back with these fancy cars. You know, after a fight, I remember he fought Philippe Ndo once. He was paid millions.
Wow.
I met him before I went to varsity. My first day of varsity. Dude, that guy was driving a Tez. I'm like, what happened? He was like, the taxman came knocking. Oh. And I answered. So here am I now.
Speaking about the taxman, so from what at that point then, from you deciding that you were going to do accounting, right? To you, did you not want to move into corporate, or have you once been in corporate? Because we know now that you're an entrepreneur. So at what stage did that transition then now happen?
I've been in corporate. My first job was in corporate.
Okay.
So with me, when COVID hit, just like most guys out there, the company I worked for, an NGO in Pretoria, it didn't survive. Yeah. So I sat down. Already my company was registered. Just that I just had, I think, 2 clients by then. Okay. So I'm like, you know what? Let me take these 2 clients and I'll get more. Hence, I had to do something because I lost my job. My wife lost my job. We're expecting a second child. Oh. So now it was not a thing of I wanted to, I had to.
You had to. You had to.
So lucky enough, the NGO I worked for, I did more or less the same thing. Okay. So when it fell, most guys already trusted me to managing their companies. Okay. So they came straight to me.
So you were the guru of tax and
accounting as a whole. Yes. So I was working under a CFO. So she just shifted everything to me because she went to work for some government institution. Okay. So she couldn't do any side work. Okay. So she shifted everyone to me.
Oh. So, and I'm guessing that then in your journey you met a lot of entrepreneurs, right? They've been your clients.
Yeah, of course. Some beginners. Yeah. Some they've been in the entrepreneur game for a while. So yeah, I guess I've met more. I started with some of them. Some of them are millionaires. So yeah, I can say we started from the bottom.
Now we're here.
You understand?
And would you say, because there's a question that has been constantly lingering, right? To say entrepreneurship is not for everyone. Is it for you, right? Do you think entrepreneurship is for everyone?
I have a mentor who usually says, for myself, if you're doing your books, you're not an entrepreneur. If you're an engineer, if you're a plumber and you're driving the truck, you're not an entrepreneur. You're a plumber. So I've realized that maybe I am an entrepreneur because I don't like being in the office anymore. I like doing this. I like going out to clients. I like meeting people. I like going to seminars. Being cooked in the office, I don't like it anymore.
It's not.
Yeah, I know. I did that for the last 10 years. Okay. No, I want to be out there getting clients. So you just
want to own your own time, and also in owning your own time, make a living out of it.
Exactly.
And just the freedom of just doing whatever you want to do.
I remember there was this government institution last year that came to me like, we want a 6-month contract with you. Wow. Not with the company, with you. I'm like, you're going to be working from 8 until 5. Like, yeah. I wake up at 6. Yo, I feel
So that's when you're like, this is not
not
for me.
Because they knew if I bring the company, I can take anyone to them. but they
Yes.
wanted me specifically.
Yes.
I'm like, no, we cannot do that.
Oh, okay. And in that experience, then, what would you say are the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make when it comes to tax and VAT, given your experience and the fact that you've worked with startup entrepreneurs and people that have millions and millions?
One thing I always urge a lot of entrepreneurs, especially new ones, like guys, you must always know what kind of company are you starting.
Okay.
For example, you need to get all the certification. If you're in construction, go to CIBD, dude. One thing people they don't understand is that if a company starts making 500,000 in a year, then you have to register for VAT. They found out 3 years from now they're making 10 million. They've been making 10 million for the past 2 years. The taxman comes like, oh, you've been making so much money. Why aren't you registered for VAT? Let's go back to find out when exactly. You understand? That's when they come to me now. I don't complain. I'll fix it for you. But I wish a lot of people out there could know this is what I have to do when my company hits this stage.
Okay, I've got a question.
Okay.
I've also been in the same situation. Okay, I've got 2 businesses right now that I've registered for, right?
Okay.
What are the things that I need to take note of right now? I've registered my business, yes. Do I now need to register for VAT straight after? Or what happens? Or should I wait for a certain threshold when I start making certain amount of money and then that's when I now start going and registering for
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when now your revenue
Yeah.
hits 500,000.
Only from that time when it hits
For that year.
500,000. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's when you have to register for VAT. You know, I always urge a lot of guys. I know accounting is not everyone.
Yeah.
Not everyone knows accounting, but you should know
Yes.
the basics. I usually, when I do financials for my client, I schedule a meeting with them
Okay.
just to explain the basics. Dude, look at this. There's a revenue. There's cost of sales. There's a gross profit. That is not your profit. There's still expenses that come after. You must familiarize yourself with the expenses so that when if I give you the financials to sign, you should at least know of it. The gross profit this month was not this. The cost was not this. You should know from the summary. You understand? So I urge them.
Okay.
Just know, even if you're an engineer,
Yeah.
just know the basics.
I think a lot of people don't have the knowledge.
Yeah.
We don't have, when we start a business, we just into that trendy wave. You know, we just join the trendy wave of, okay, I want to start a business, but I don't even know what financials I need to be looking at. I don't know all of those things. So I don't have any financial knowledge, so to speak. And then, so in that instance, if we were to have a proper support structure for young entrepreneurs around tax, what would it look like to you as a person that is in that profession and you know that, okay, this is a niche? Actually, a lot of entrepreneurs are not really clued up, to say the least, around things like that and financials. What would it look like?
You know, I recently I've been thinking about you know how your banks, you have private bankers, you have your own private banker. I was thinking, why not we have our own private tax practitioners? You understand?
SARS.
I feel like that will be an advantage. Of course, nowadays SARS they send messages.
Yeah.
They send at least you can track whether you are lagging behind on certain tax type. But I feel like it's not enough. Sometimes they wait for things to be bad for them to tell you, look, you have to do this. By then your penalties
Why do they do that, Casey? I think a lot of people have the same problem to say.
Of course.
There's no support from the beginning. It seems like we wait for things to be bad.
You understand?
And then they come, hey,
Because I have a client. She has been with an accountant. I know this looks bad for my profession.
Yeah.
She's been an accountant since 2018.
Okay.
She has been paying this guy since then. Dude,
Since 2018?
yeah, until last year. She came to me. We're in the same this other program. So she came to me, look, I need you to look at my books. What's going on? I looked at her books. That lady says she's making 20 million. Her balance sheet is way sky high. and she's only making around 5 or 4 at max. I'm like, dude, you rich, Mus. She was like, what do you mean? Like, I see here your balance sheet is very fat. Like, no, Casey, what are you talking about? I showed her everything. I'm like, let me look at your SARS thing. I looked at the profile, the business profile. Nothing is filed. From 2018.
So what was the accountant doing?
He has been telling her, send 10,000. I will send 5,000. I'm like, you're kidding me. That's why my heart bled for her.
Yeah.
So I'm like, it's fine. Let me fix it. We just finished. I think it's it took 3 full months to finish the whole thing, because it backdates to 2018. It was bad.
So how do we find credible people that we can work with, that we know that they can deliver? Okay, besides yourself, we know that you do the job correctly.
That's why I urge a lot of people, look, you don't have to know the fundamentals of accounting.
Okay.
Just know accounting 101.
Okay.
That this is my gross profit, this is my net, these are my expenses. Yeah.
Okay, but when it comes to that, then where can people educate themselves about the tax laws in South Africa? I know we've got platforms like Google and all of that, but we've got different people. I think people learn things differently. So are there other platforms other than Google that we can learn about?
Well, SARS nowadays, I see they try on their website.
Okay.
Yeah, so to update us with the latest changes on the tax field.
Okay.
However, there's some people, even on YouTube, they have a lot of channels. Just I haven't started mine because I don't know why.
Please start your own channel. Please start your own channel.
I get nervous when they look at the camera.
And you're such a natural. Like, please just start. I will be your #1 subscriber.
Okay.
I will share your page, everything.
Noted.
Please start. Ne?
Noted.
Is that a promise? Are you starting? There's a lot of people that are looking at you right now as witnesses.
I will. Okay. I will. Just no pressure though.
Okay. No. So in closing, I'm going to ask you these questions. It's not a question, but you just have to finish off. One thing every entrepreneur should stop doing immediately is, so you have to just finish off with 1 word or 2 words or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, so I just finished the sentence.
Yeah, you just finished the sentence. Yeah, that's it.
Tax-based.
I'm going to repeat. Okay. One thing every entrepreneur should stop doing immediately is?
Tax fraud.
Okay, tax fraud.
You'll be surprised.
A lot of entrepreneurs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Money taught me?
What did money teach me? Money taught me how to manage it.
How to manage it? That's it? Is that the only thing that?
Yeah.
How to manage it?
Yes, I can say so.
Okay. Faith and business connect because?
Yo, wait. These are psychological questions. Spiritual. It's so spiritual for me.
Faith and business connect because?
They connect because... Oh, I don't know. How do they connect? Faith and business?
Yes, faith and business.
Well...
They connect because?
I guess
How do you apply your faith in your business?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I guess with both of them, you have to... How can I say? You have to nurture them.
Okay.
Yeah, because with business, it's like a child.
Okay.
And with faith, you have to walk with it. So, yeah, the two somehow go hand in hand.
Okay. So you have to nurture both.
Yes.
In the same...
Yeah.
In the same way.
You understand?
Okay. So how can people get a hold of you? Where do people contact you if they need you to, look at their books?
I drop my number.
Yeah, drop your number. How can people get a hold of you? Do they email you?
Yeah.
Are you on social media?
Social media is KC Billions on Facebook, Instagram. Yeah.
Okay.
All the other social medias.
Okay.
Or you can email info@kaycwe.coza. Phone number 073 981 6121. That's 073-981-612. Or they can call you.
Oh yeah, please contact me. Also, I'll just liaison your message to him. But thank you so much, Casey, for joining us.
That wasn't bad.
Such a pleasure. It wasn't bad, right? It wasn't too bad. It's been such a pleasure to have you here. At Growth, Grit and Grace, we believe growth requires grit, but grace sustain it. Till next time.